Hello, some student. Welcome to Mathematics World. Today, Amberto Tavika Sembiring from Bilingual Mathematics Education 2018 will explain about Vogel's approximation method or VAM. What is VAM? Are you curious about it? VAM or Vogel's approximation method is one of the methods to obtain feasible solution of transportation problem. Here are the steps that must be taken to determine the initial solution with this method. But it's better if we practice, right? So let's move into the example. Let's look at the example. Consider the transportation problem presented in the following table. This is the supply from 3 researchers, and this is the demand from 3 destinations, and this is the cost from each searcher's to destination. Now, let's go into the step 1. We must determine the difference between two smallest values for each row and column. For first row, we know that the smallest value is 4 and 1, so the difference is 3, and so on. Now, let's do the same thing with the column. So, the first column, we know that the smallest value is 4 and 3, so the difference is equal 1, and so on to the second column and the third column. Now, let's see which row or column that has the biggest difference. From this table, we know the third row has the biggest difference. It's equal 4. Let's look at the third row. The smallest transportation cost in this row is equal to. So, we distribute the demand to supply as much as possible to this cell. It's equal 40. So the supply left is 30. Now we eliminate the difference in each row and column again, but we didn't use the element in the second columns since the demand in the second column has fulfilled. We can see that the biggest difference comes from first row equal 3. Now let's look at the first row. The smallest transportation cost in this row is equal 1. So we distribute the supply to demand as much as possible. It's equal 40. So the demand left is equal 20.